This again. What is this?
What is what?
Check this.
What is what? What is what? I told you that you have number. Please fix this thing for me. Please, I'm already late for my meeting.
The mechanic actually, you know this compressor. Both the mechanic and the compressor are going to compress me. I don't understand.
Compress you. They should compress you now. I don't mean you did what I told you to do, like on time.
Let's not let's just push it. Let's just
I'm not
push
pushing anything, no.
it. Sure you know that anybody that help me to push can person will enter Benz. Sure you know. Bros, I beg. I don't see person. I beg. I want to push this car. The mechanic dey whine me. Even the that
okay, you know say everything now na money. For me to push this car now, and this thing they look me like na G-Wagon. For me to push this car na money, una go pay me.
Don't push this.
Una go pay me. Move do am.
I go pay you. I go pay you. I beg. Push am. I beg.
Move do am. Yeah, you wanna push this car now. This car,
You dey there. Come this side. Who you dey talk to? Come this side. You know they see.
which one be say you know?
Tell you. Come who dey go?
Which one be say you dey pay me? How much wey you wan pay me?
Who is you? Not be back of motor we dey here. We are who dey here.
Okay, how much wey you dey pay me? You dey stress me like
No
this.
make they go front. They go back.
Una never chop, una come out.
Which kind talk? Oh, be dey pay you.
Move dey go, move dey go.
See you like this your
Dey
glasses.
come.